What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, April 10th. Interesting day yesterday. We dumped, but recovered. So, as we've seen before, other than this little anomaly, uh, they've been defending the lows. So really, 91 to '08. I want acceptance above '08 or below 91 for anything. Otherwise, we are trading straight up sideways and have been for kind of a while, right? We had a 22 print up here, 33 print up here. So we've poked a couple times at the top, but kind of come back into this same area. There's a ton of traffic here. Here's your 80, 86, 80. So this was the former, right? You had this crunch here, and then now we kind of have this crunch here. Now, ranges are expanded, which is more fun for me, but we're still on the same sideways pattern, in my opinion. So, again, above '08, below 91. I'd watch yesterday's low. We could see, here's a naked POC at 28. I don't really know right now what CPI is going to do. What I can tell you, though, is I think we'll move today. Pivot 49, 42.90, 32.15. Okay, so 15 could work, right? We could pop above that '08 to 15, get everybody off size, and then reverse it. 53.66. Okay, 24 is okay. 83 is right there. S2, so that's your 86 level from a prior below the 91. Again, we could pop that and then reverse, depending on which way it moves first. If we do. Here's your daily. That's my trend line. We're kind of hugging it right now. But as you can tell, like we're starting to see some larger moves. Yes, they've been stick saved, but they held. So we could definitely move higher today on a lower print. 28, 51.28 is your 50-day. I'm just kind of watching that one for downside. Monthly POC here is at 20 or 52.53. So I'd watch that. Above 74 is going to be bullish, right? So you got a 72.74 for the near term. And then again below '08. So really anything outside of yesterday's range, I would suspect they're going to try to defend this '08 level. If not, then the 91, and then we'll see if that 86 breaks down to 67. But I don't know. It's kind of interesting. Here's your weekly. Like, did we top out? Are we going to come back down, or is this just bull flagging to go back up? Could be either one. I could make a case for both. So we'll see what CPI. I do think the possibility that we move today is quite significant. Typically the first move is the wrong move, but and we'll see. We'll watch that and play for that because I think it happens more often than not. But also we do have, the move and go where you have a print and it goes and then everyone tries to fade it and they get smoked. This cash gap held 57 to 47. That will be important for SPX. I'd watch that. We could park it at 57 like that yesterday, or clear it at 47 and revert back on that big red candle of death right there. Next one below that is 31 to 17. I'd watch that one as well if we get through that. That would be a nice place. 31 would be a nice bump support. And then your 50 days at 50.95. Euro kind of going sideways as well, hugging that 50 just above it. No opinion on that. Apple's up a little bit today. NVIDIA has been getting kind of smoked. That's down to 853, so I would keep that on the radar. SCMI looks weak. Tilt rallied, so that's back up at 92.73, so I would watch that as well. Again, I have no opinion on CPI. More than likely it comes in line, but just beware and wait for the entry today so you don't get in trouble. Anyway, I will be here all day. Please stay safe and have a good day.